Welcome back to DIY Stuff with Smac. Let's recap. I am doing DIY stuff in my new house. That's my room. The last video I did, if you saw it, was me making this really cute little cafe breakfast bar for my bedroom window. Go check it out. Also, I haven't really been filming everything, but here's a sneak peek of when I just decided to paint the entire patio the terrazzo style look, which I do love doing, but yeah, that was a lot of work. Bloody took forever. And we also put up these super cool mid-century modern wood shutter doors that we found on Facebook Marketplace for a bargain. And in the meantime, I have been shopping for some very beautiful art, and I thrifted some amazing pants and plots. Oh my god, I said pants and plots. Okay, let's get to it. We're in the master bedroom and I want to make a headboard. I really looked online for like the perfect one. First of all, so expensive. Second of all, I just didn't like any of them. I wanted to be really simple and cute. Anyway, so I made a mock-up in Instagram stories, which is like the best hack ever. I always do that. And this is what we're working with. All right, let's get to it. There we go. Man. Well, I do say, I'm no matter how it looks, guys. It actually worked out perfectly. I do want to add some more art and plants, but what would you guys add? What would you have done? Do you like it? Thanks for watching.